What's going on, team? In this video, I wanted to give you a little bit more follow-up on what exactly you're going to get when you enroll in the Teambull Trading Academy. I figured you may have questions like, I don't have any experience. Is this for me? How can I trust you with my education? And do I want to learn a lifelong skill set? And we're going to dive into all that right now. To start off, if you don't have any experience, this is the perfect academy for you, and let me show you why. As you can see, when you enroll in the academy, you're going to get access to all these videos. You have a welcome video, and you start out with the basics. You're going to go over terminology. You're going to go over account types, broker comparison, financial instruments, everything from basics of what is a chart, what are different account types, to everything you could possibly want to know as a beginner. Now, once we cover the basics, we then get into technical analysis. We go over what are candlesticks, different chart patterns, how we trade support and resistance, how different strategies you can use and apply in the stock market. We continue going down to exact strategies. Then we move into things like moving averages, indicators, options education, which of course you're going to learn A to Z in this, going down to finding stocks, earnings, and many more categories just like this. And this is what separates Teambull Trading Academy from the rest. You see all these videos, you see all these education sections. We go to the second page. You're not only going to get my strategies and my education, but you're going to get stuff from Grizzly. You're going to get all of Brandon's strategies. You're going to get GD Investments, Nate Trades, and never before seen Dumpster. This is going to be game changing for a lot of you. And that leads me to the next topic of how can you trust us with your education? We don't just sit here and say we're successful. We trade live in the Discord every single day, and our testimonials speak for themselves. We can't get away with not being successful with the Discord community with thousands of people in it every single day that are posting gains, posting testimonials, and coming back for more knowledge and more gains every single day. Now you're probably saying, Jacob, well, why wouldn't I just join the Discord then? I think the Discord is a great thing for a lot of people, but if you want to be successful taking our signals and watching us trade in the Discord, you need the background, you need the foundation of the education, and that is what you're going to get right here in this academy. So I ask you this, as you see all these legendary lessons, as you see all this success, I want you to ask yourself, do you want to learn a life-changing skill? If you do, you found the right place. This is the last course you will ever need, last academy you will ever need, and I look forward to helping you with your financial future together.